In the world of scientific exploration, a key player emerges, the compound microscope. This powerful tool, with its intricate construction, opens up a universe unseen by the naked eye. Comprised of several parts, each with a specific function, it works in harmony to magnify the minute. The base provides stability, while the illuminator sheds light on the subject. The stage, with its clips, holds the slide in place. The objective and eyepiece lenses magnify the image, brought into focus by the coarse and fine adjustment knobs. The diaphragm controls light intensity, ensuring the best view. Using a compound microscope begins with placing a slide on the stage. The coarse adjustment knob brings the image into general focus. Fine-tuning occurs with the fine adjustment knob. The viewer peers through the eyepiece, observing the magnified world on the slide. The compound microscope finds its application in various fields, from biology to geology, revealing the intricate details of cells, minerals, and more. Its construction and usage are a testament to human ingenuity, enabling scientific advancements. This brief overview merely scratches the surface. The compound microscope, with its complex construction and vast applications, warrants further exploration. Dive into the microscopic world and unravel its mysteries. The journey of discovery awaits.